Hey everyone, welcome back to today's best deals today. We're excited to review the ECOVACS Deebot X8 Pro Omni Robot Vacuum and Mop, a premium cleaning solution that's designed to make your life easier. Meet the ECOVACS Deebot X8 Pro Omni, featuring 18,000 Pascal suction, OZMO Roller Instant Self-Washing Mopping, and 167 degrees Fahrenheit hot water mop washing. This robot vacuum and mop is engineered to deliver ultimate hands-free cleaning. The X8 Pro Omni boasts zero-tangle 2.0 technology, preventing hair from clogging and ensuring a smooth cleaning experience. The extended OZMO roller mop and side brush automatically extends to clean deep into corners and gaps. This robot vacuum features AI-powered navigation, embedded LiDAR, and a sleek modern design. It navigates efficiently around obstacles and under furniture, ensuring precise cleaning in tight spaces. The X8 Pro Omni comes with a 12-in-1 OMNI station, providing truly hands-free cleaning with features like auto refill, auto wash, auto dry, and auto cleaning solution dispensing. With its advanced features and premium performance, the ECOVACS Deebot X8 Pro Omni is a must-have for anyone who wants to experience the future of cleaning. Order now and start enjoying the convenience of automated cleaning. Thanks for watching Channel Name. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more reviews and tech content. Get yours now and start enjoying the convenience of automated cleaning. The ECOVACS Deebot X8 Pro Omni is available now. Say goodbye to manual vacuuming and mopping, and hello to a cleaner, healthier home with the ECOVACS Deebot X8 Pro Omni.